Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to do a little unboxing of the Rode PodMic, and it's all coming up next. So as you see here, I have the PodMic from Rode, and we're going to do a little unboxing. I'm not really going to go into any kind of review per se, but I did want to kind of go over a little bit of a unboxing to show you what's in the box and give you my first impressions of the build quality and such. So let's get right to it. So as you see here, this PodMic here, this is the front of the box. You also here on the side have internal pop filter, it says, broadcast quality, rugged build, and 2-year warranty right there. And then also you have on the back side of it, which is right there, and we'll switch over to the other camera. Trying to do a multicam setup, not really sure if this is going to work, but we'll see. So this is what that looks like. Okay. And then of course you have the UPC on the other side there. So let's see, how do you get into this thing? Oh, that's right. I must get out my knife. It's a good thing I have it available and in an open status too, so I wouldn't cut myself. No, wait, I probably would cut myself if it's open all the time, but I digress. So let's open this thing right on up here. All right, so I guess you open it that way. Okay. So let's see here. Well, I guess I do this. Maybe. I don't know. How do you get this thing out of here? Well, I see they don't want to make it easy. They said, we want the thing to stay in the box. What in the world? Ain't this the best unboxing you've ever seen? Okay, I think we might have it now. Rode was like, we are so proud of our mic, we don't even want to come out of the box. Anyways, so there we go. And let's see here. What do we have? We have a PodMic quick start guide. See? And it kind of gives you a step-by-step pictograms, because I'm Egyptian. Yep, looks like hieroglyphics. We'll toss that aside there. And we open up the box and we take this and... Now, that's interesting. So there you go. It looks like the plastic's slightly ripped. Quality control. You see how that's a little rip there, right there? Because I guess they put this box on there, and the box looks like it's kind of bent in a little bit, like it didn't really want to fit on this mic. But I hear the build quality is pretty good, so it's probably nothing to worry about. All right, so there we are. We have this QA passed. That is ironic, actually, QA passed, but putting it in the box probably wasn't QA'd, but I digress. All right, so this is the PodMic by Rode. And let's see here. We have a thread here. So you can put it on your stand, whatever that might be, your mic stand. Down here is where your XLR goes. Okay. And just so you know, this is the PodMic that's not the newest one that they've put out. They got a new PodMic that's got a USB capability as well as XLR. But this is the $99 PodMic. I think the one with the USB is $199 now, I believe. I can't remember. But anywho, I'll probably find out before I post the video. But this is basically what the mic looks like. See? Looks nice, don't it? I got these nice little things here that twist and turn so you can move your mic however you want, and it'll stay pretty much right there. See, I put it down there so you can have it there. And if you were like me, and hold on a second, I'll be right back. All right, so I have myself a nice little stand here from Rode. And all you do here is you just stick that on there like that. Yeah, there we go, just like that. And voila. And then, of course, you can adjust this down to whatever height you want. And let's say you have it on your stand or what have you. And voila. And they also have, I believe they have these foam that you can put on to keep from any kind of explosives or anything from your peas and such. But I went to get one, actually. I ordered one off of Amazon, but yeah, when it came, I guess Christmas time is just not a really good time to order stuff because things come beat up to death because I guess they're just in a rush. So the foam was a little mushed in 5,000 different ways. So yeah, even when you fluffed it back out, it kept the shape of the smushing. So, and that's the word of the day, by the way, smushing. I didn't know if you ever heard of smushing before, but it's a word of the day. So, but anywho, this is the PodMic from Rode. Now, of course, I'll put a link down there in the description down below on where you can get this PodMic. It doesn't come with the stand. Now, I bought the stand separately. I'll also put a link down there in the description. But it's from what I understand, the PodMic is a really nice sounding mic if you're doing podcasts or what have you. I have the Shure SM7B and pretty happy with that. I might switch back and forth between this and the Rode PodMic, or maybe I'll use that in a different location. Not really sure. And probably later on, I'll do a updated video on this to give you a review. But this is basically it. That's all there is to this unboxing. I don't think there's anything else in here, is there? No. Yeah, I better look. You never know. Nope. Nothing else, but not like you really needed anything else, because what else could there possibly be? XLR cable you would have to purchase separately. And so that's basically it for this review. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.